Oh, wait, let me go in this side because I got a cigarette, so I need to want to window down.
What hotel?
Vancouver.
Where's that?
La Quinta.
I'm not from here. I'm from San Diego.
Sarah, scoot over here. I scoot over. Hi, guys.
Take a picture of us raging in the car.
Yeah.
I say raging.
Do it.
Just sitting.
Do it.
Go! We're gonna take it!
What? Oh, you okay.
Are you recording this?
Yes, I am recording this.
Little light's not on.
I didn't put it on because I don't want people to know I'm recording.
How do you take it off?
You go to settings.
Smile, smile!
How do I take a picture? I don't have a phone like this.
Tap the bit that looks like a camera sign.
Yeah.
Again? Nice.
Is it supposed to fly?
Go! Get in! Get in!
Get in! Let's go! Let's go to the
Let's go
hotel.
around the world for this.
There you go.
I flew from Mexico here. Wait, where is it?
Oh, jeez.
I don't know. I'm just pushing buttons.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
mate!
there it is.
That's the
There
one.
it is.
Should we go?
Let's go.
I love you guys.
I love you
too, guys.
Thanks for letting us.
Thanks for coming and letting us party in your car.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm sorry for squishing you there. All right, bye.